If you're cutting clean, accurate holes in wood, metal, or plastic, a good hole saw kit makes all the difference. In this video, we break down the best hole saw kits based on durability, size range, and value for the money. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro who uses them regularly, these picks will save you time and frustration. Check the description box below for product links and current prices. So let's get started. When you're drilling a lot of holes in metal or other dense materials, cutting speed and heat control make a real difference. The EZARC M42 Cobalt Bimetal Hole Saw Kit is built with that in mind, offering quicker cuts and better wear resistance than typical bimetal sets. The teeth are made from M42 steel with 8% cobalt, which helps them stay sharp and handle heat more effectively, especially when working with thin steel. A variable 4 and 6 TPI tooth pattern keeps the saw steady as it cuts, reducing vibration and chatter. Wide eject slots let chips escape easily, helping prevent clogging and overheating. This kit includes 10 popular sizes, covering 3/4 inch through 2.5 inches, with a cutting depth of just under 2 inches. It also comes with 2 arbors, pilot bits, washers, an adapter nut, and a hex key. Everything fits into a sturdy case with clearly marked storage. Most users highlight the smooth cutting action on metal, plywood, and PVC, while tooth life on very demanding jobs gets mixed feedback. Many still see it as a reliable, well-priced option for DIY work and light industrial tasks. You can tell a lot about a hole saw set as soon as you pick it up, and this one feels solid right out of the case. The LIFEIDEAS Bimetal Hole Saw Kit is aimed at people who want versatility without fuss, whether for home jobs or occasional professional use. Inside, you get 12 sizes, ranging from 3/4 inch to 2.5 inches, plus everything needed to get started. Mandrels, pilot bits, hex keys, a spring for plug removal, and a 5.9-inch extension rod for deeper cuts. The bimetal build combines high-speed steel teeth with a sturdy alloy body, so it stays sharp while holding up to repeated use. It handles common materials like metal, PVC, wood, plastic, and drywall with clean results and minimal chatter. The spiral chip flute design clears debris efficiently, helping reduce heat and keep cuts smooth. Switching between mandrels is quick, which saves time when moving between sizes. Most users see it as a dependable, well-priced set. While opinions on the pilot bits vary, the hole saws themselves earn praise for consistent performance and durability. When the job involves steel or stainless, a typical bimetal hole saw can struggle to keep up. The STATEN Tools Tungsten Carbide Hole Saw Kit is aimed at those tougher cuts where accuracy and edge retention matter more than speed alone. Each cutter uses tungsten carbide-tipped teeth paired with a titanium-coated pilot drill. This combination delivers high hardness and strong wear resistance, even when drilling into dense metals. The triple-edge cutting layout helps spread the load across the teeth, which reduces chipping and leaves cleaner, more consistent holes. The kit includes 12 sizes, starting with small diameters for precise work and going up to 2 1/8 inches. Along with the hole saws, you get pilot bits, L keys, and a deburring tool to clean up edges once the cut is finished. It works with bench drills, magnetic drills, and percussion drills, making it useful in both shop and field settings. All components fit neatly into a compact aluminum case that protects the tools and keeps everything organized. Many users note how easily it handles stainless steel and other hard metals. While long-term durability gets mixed feedback, the cutting performance is widely seen as strong for the cost. A good hole saw set should feel straightforward to use while still delivering clean, accurate cuts. The HYCHIKA bimetal hole saw kit is designed with that balance in mind, focusing on smooth operation and practical sizing for everyday jobs. The saws are made from high-speed bimetal steel with a hardened cutting edge rated between 69 and 81 HRC. This gives the teeth strong resistance to wear while keeping them tough enough to avoid cracking under normal use. The tooth design is tuned for steady cutting and better control, and side slots help clear chips so the blade doesn't bind or overheat. Inside the case, you'll find 11 hole saw sizes up to 68 millimeters, along with 2 mandrels, 3 pilot drill bits, and a hex key. The maximum cutting depth of 40 millimeters is enough for most home improvement and workshop tasks. Everything packs into a compact case that's easy to store and carry. Many users comment on how sharp the blades are right out of the box and how smoothly they cut through wood, PVC, drywall, and thin metal. While long-term durability gets mixed reviews, most see it as a practical, budget-friendly choice for light to moderate use. Cutting tile or stone calls for a tool that's built for brittle, unforgiving surfaces. The THINKWORK Diamond Hole Saw Kit is made for that kind of work, where control and clean edges matter more than raw speed. Each bit uses a thick layer of brazed diamond bonded to a solid steel body, giving it the hardness needed to handle tile and stone without chipping. The bits can be run wet or dry, but using water helps keep temperatures down and extends their lifespan. One helpful addition is the dual suction cup guide, which sticks to smooth surfaces and keeps the bit from skating when you first start drilling. The set includes several sizes, from small holes for anchors up to 2 inches openings for pipes and fixtures. It's suitable for ceramic tile, porcelain, marble, granite, glass, and terrazzo, though it's not meant for tempered glass. Many users mention how quickly and cleanly the bits cut through porcelain and granite. While feedback on the suction cups and some accessories is mixed, most agree the cutting performance is strong and the set offers good value for tile and stone projects. When you're moving through a lot of holes, speed and ease of use matter just as much as raw cutting strength. The DIABLO General Purpose Bimetal Hole Saw Set is built to keep work flowing without giving up accuracy. These saws offer a deep 2 3/8 inches cutting capacity, letting you bore through thicker material in one pass instead of stopping to reset. The variable tooth design helps keep vibration in check, which makes longer cuts feel more controlled and predictable. One of the biggest time savers is the Snap Lock Plus mandrel system. It allows tool-free changes and quick plug removal, so you're not fighting the saw between cuts. A universal mandrel works across DIABLO hole saw sizes, cutting down on extra adapters and simplifying your setup. The tungsten carbide blend is designed to balance speed and durability, handling wood, metal, and composite materials with consistent results. Users often point out how smooth the cuts feel and how solid the case is. The quick change system gets a lot of praise for saving time on the job. While feedback on long-term durability under heavy use is mixed, many pros and DIYers still see it as a dependable, efficient choice. That wraps up our look at the best hole saw kits available right now. The right set depends on how often you'll use it and what materials you're cutting, but any of these options will get the job done cleanly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, hit like and consider subscribing for more tool reviews. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description box below.